child in a mother's embrace. Such a sweet smile at the sight of her face. Night falls with an elegant grace when the day has come to end. She says, hush now, as I turn out the light. Sleep tight, everything is alright. Come daybreak, I'll be here by your side. I'll see you again. And how can you know when you must say goodbye, with the pain in your heart and a tear in your eye? Even the moon is alone in the sky when the earth calls her children home. Home. And a young man is just a boy in disguise, tender is the love in his eyes. Slender, she is noble and wise, and together they are friends. He says, trust in me, yeah, it's in the words that I say. This night I am not far away. Soon love is with the coming of day.